Yo, these brakes are legit, dog. It's really quick. This bike is really fast.
Experience power and versatility unlike any e-bike you've ever seen. Meet More Bikes. Designed from the ground up, More takes all the best features in existing e-bikes and enhances them with industry firsts. Full 100mm front and back suspension, fat tires, aircraft-grade aluminum, smooth power control, Shimano gears, hidden cables, disc brakes, and an incredible selection of the strongest mid-drive and rear hub motors available. Turn your commute into a daily joyride. More Bikes makes it easy to cut through hectic traffic and save money on gas, all while making your commute fun. Seriously, try to frown on one of these.
It was fast. It was really fast. It was faster than I thought it would be.
More can go up to 31 miles per hour, boasts a battery life that reaches up to 80 miles, climbs grades up to 25%, and can tow an SUV. That's right, an SUV. More features a removable front wheel and folds perfectly in half, making it easy to bring with you. Fit it in the trunk of your car and hit the road, or take it off the road for some serious action. This bike is powerful, real powerful. With fat tires and dual suspension, More Bikes can ride on any terrain and still handle like a boss. Take every bump, curb, and pothole. More comes with built-in innovative safety features, such as dual headlights twice as powerful as industry standards, turn signal lights to let cars and vehicles know where you are and where you're going, an electric horn to let people know you're coming. You won't find a safer e-bike. More power and more fun than any other e-bike in the market. Back our campaign today and change the way you commute forever.
What do we need to feel free? Feeling nothing that controls your life and mind. Begin your journey with FIIDO. Imagine there are no limitations at all, except gravity. The FIIDO electric bike offers an outstanding riding experience due to its 20-inch wheels and Shimano's 7-gear transmission system, which provides stability under any conditions. No matter how fast you are going, the dual disc brake system immediately slow you down. One charge let you travel up to 100 kilometers on a flat road and up to 50 kilometers while using built-in power boost mode. Powerful 250-watt motor provides you sufficient amount of energy for any ride. Aluminum alloy makes it super light, super easy to charge due to hidden battery inside the seat. Its minimalistic and modern design defines the future of electric bikes. FIIDO, sky the limit.
In Denmark, we're known as the world's happiest country, and we believe biking is a part of the answer to our great happiness. My name is Nicholas, and I'm the founder of STRØM Bikes. From the biking capital of the world, we proudly present you the STRØM CDW. The most affordable and convenient woman e-bike ever made. Enjoy a world of features and functionalities. A modern urban e-bike designed for one thing and one thing only, taking you from A to B with ease and style. The flexible transportation choice gives you 5 levels of assist and makes you tailor the ride for any given situation. STRØM CDW allows you to ride the city in style while adding fresh air, exercise and fun to the lifestyle of you and your loved ones. Our brand new innovative basket design with integrated lighting makes shopping and picnic a breeze with a one-click removable basket system. Thanks to people from all over the world, our last campaign became a great success. We crowdfunded close to $2 million and delivered 2,000 STRØM bikes to happy backers from more than 40 countries all over the world. I can assure you, our team and I have learned a lot of lessons from previous campaigns. This time, our amazing team is more than ready to deliver e-bikes to all over the world. We have even made 25 unique test models to make sure the e-bikes are ready for production based on feedback from early riders. Support and share our project today and join our mission in making inner city commuting more sustainable and convenient. And together, we can make it happen.
The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the Superstrata, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our Superstrata bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts, and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the Superstrata more impact-resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the Superstrata is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mundesir, the CTO and co-founder of Superstrata. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's 2-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for Superstrata. To make the Superstrata possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom Superstrata today.
We set out to design a stealthy electric bike, one so sexy you couldn't tell it's electric. Job well done. You may remember us from our first campaign when we launched a sleek line of electric bikes for the people. After delivering thousands of bikes around the world, releasing over a dozen new models and countless design iterations, we're ready to release the Babymaker. It's the sexiest and stealthiest e-bike we've ever made. The Babymaker is everything we love about classic road bikes, redesigned with advanced technology for the modern world. The beauty is simplicity. Less is more.
You got enough going on in your life. The last thing you need is more gimmick features you'll never use.
There's no gears to fumble with, no keys, no GPS, no Bluetooth, no pointless app, so you can just enjoy the ride. The Babymaker is simple. It works for you. Just turn it on, hit the pedals, and go. Traditional bikes are limited by your own pedal power, making hills and high speeds challenging. That's why we gave the Babymaker a powerful motor discreetly placed in the rear wheel. Tackle hills with ease and get there in record time, all without breaking a sweat.
Want to get to work fast and fresh? Put in level 5 and let your Babymaker do the work. Want some exercise? Put in level 0 and it's all you, baby.
The Babymaker's classic style turns heads everywhere, yet nobody knows it's electric. That can be our little secret. There's no ugly battery bolted to the bike. Instead, we ditched the unsightly cables and hid a high-capacity lithium battery right in the frame. Charge the battery in just 2 hours and you can ride with pedal assist up to 50 miles per charge. When the battery's out, you can just continue riding forever on your own power. The Babymaker is so lightweight, it pedals just like a normal bike. When you need to slow down, just hit the powerful Magura hydraulic disc brakes and safely stop from high speeds in an instant. The Babymaker Pro has no greasy chain. Instead, it rocks a carbon Gates belt drive. This gives you a remarkably smooth ride that is quiet, clean, and maintenance-free. The Babymaker is our vision of the future of sustainable transportation. It gives you the freedom to ride faster, climb higher, and explore further than ever before. The Babymaker is more than just a bike, it's a movement. If you want to keep more money in your wallet, have more time for the people you love, and breathe more clean air, then this is the bike for you.
The Babymaker is ready for mass production, so reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your help and our expertise, we're going to build you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see ya.